move the chicken. So I can go and buy Callum stuff.
Have you put the wine? Let's go, dear. Alright. Bobby, open the door. Open the door.
Sharon is watching.
Sharon, 90 days. Go back.
Let's go put it on the grill. Can use it small. You not bring the red one.
Which red one?
Maverick is looking all. Sharon. It's Sharon.
Oh, chicken legs.
It's for Maverick, but I like the chicken legs. I'll just give him the bone.
No, give him the chicken legs. Give him chicken legs.
This particular chicken leg.
Chicken legs.
Okay, fine. I'll give him chicken legs. Oh, 30 marriage.
She really does, you know.
Because are we ready? Yeah, we're ready.
Can I talk? Yeah.
Yes,
That's issues that are so
easy
easy to solve. Like their issues are not even that. That they will just be doing what you know concern. How about we going to close this thing or not? I don't think we have to.
Well, we have to even come back and flip.
Just a few. And in like 10 minutes, so because this might be too bone.
Do you have this thing to brush it? Like to brush it?
She lost it. And like she didn't lose it, like she just don't know where it is. She don't know where she put it.
I don't think I brought it from the market.
You didn't bring it back from the market.
Because it's way.
Are you going to put the peppers on the pickle as well?
I told her to
be nice.
It will fall inside.
What she said to fall inside.
Except you want to put them whole.
And you put them half.
Yeah,
you have to remove the seeds. Just put it face down. It'll be nice, charred babies.
And you know the onions will be nice. Can we not put the onions in the peppers and let the pepper like?
Yeah, but you can't now flip it because it will enter.
Before we flip it, what do you guys for it?
No, I think you should leave it.
Need onions.
What do people have problems?
I don't have anything.
So many issues I'm having, so when you just like
So many.
Now this one is having serious anger issues.
Who?
Yeah,
Michael?
No, not Michael.
Another one.
Another one is
Maverick, behave yourself. You've been out for 4, 5, 6, 1 week.
So they're saying that you should take professional help, and he doesn't know what is professional. Why not? If you know it's an issue, if you really want to fix it, there's one way you can do therapy. And it's not like here that therapy is frowned upon.
Oh, therapy is frowned upon. Yeah. Okay, like in Nigeria, they think you are crazy. You think you're crazy. That's what it's supposed to be out.
People are like, oh yeah, I think I should go for therapy. Even the organization, they're like, you're not a medical professional. There are people who like depression now. See medical.
Yes.
No, they say even my mom, she's that kind of mentality.
Like, why would you
over 7
be depressed?
It's
true, because you is a happy God, so why would you be depressed?
But they're just some people are just sad, and it's nothing in particular.
It's just health, like mental health.
They're just like even like chemical imbalances in your brain that just make you just sad. All of it are just really sad.
What is that? That's why it calls animals. This time we got him a stuffed animal. Like, just like cuckoo. And it's stuck. Everybody there. Cuckoo. It's because he even knows Maverick's name. That's why he calls him Maverick. If not, we call him Cuckoo. We call him Cuckoo, bad Cuckoo.
But does he play with Maverick?
No. We haven't gotten to that point yet. And Maverick has not even gotten like checked in a while.
Okay.
He needs to get his meds and shots and things. And he needs to use a bath.
Do we need the lights now? When are you
grilled today? So that's what we're doing.
Let me put them back down fast.
Yeah. I should have used the tongue. Wait, relax. Act like I just got you.
Get it that.
Alright. No, they used to put them upside down first. All of that. Anything in at all.
all
do because
side and side.
outside and outside.
I'm just saying like because it takes longer to cook this.
It smells like suya up in here. Yeah, you can flip this one to check how it's going.
Oh, it's going.
It's going.
You should understand. How does it just like see out here?
You remove
I'm
the
trying
hair
to
shot.
understand.
You know, remove that place. Jesus. Yeah,
It's a delicacy. Part of the chicken.
And but we didn't remove
we
this.
didn't remove the bum.
The thing where that.
That's the thing. It's hot. It's so hot out here.
You can't handle the
sweating.
fire. Stay out the grill or something.
When they do those videos, they say mothers will not put their hand inside.
I'm telling you, my mommy can come here and praise this chicken with her.
My grandmother used to put roasted yam. They used to pick the yam from the fire.
With their hand
and
and
it.
But wait, why can't you just use something?
Let me use
I don't understand. Maybe to blow
To
them
be
out.
as sweet.
because you know it's really hot coals.
Yeah.
But then it's like smoldering. And I'm like, how are you doing this? This isn't natural.
It's not real. I can't
So they will not have fingerprint again.
believe it. My mommy when we were
Wait
in this
to American airport, Chicago airport, our fingerprints.
did not come out.
You're joking.
It was American.
In Chicago, no. Chicago, your fingerprint did not show.
How?
I'm
We have
telling
been
you.
using it to.
What did I fingerprint need to do? Because not Chicago, it was here.
So what did he do now?
Mommy, your fingerprint no show. So what?
That's the question.
They have to keep
They have to now go somewhere else.
yeah.
The machine that can catch all the.
The fingerprint that is almost gone.
No, they use our passports.
Something funny.
They use our pens. I don't know, but our fingerprint did not show.
If anything goes wrong with it,
Yeah.
I'll just see you.
And don't break your leg.
That's that's what I'm
No, I'm telling you from experience.
So you're eating my wristwatch.
Livia.
No, but I left it.
So have you tried
Wait,
this?
wait, wait.
That rice is 1,000. This boy will pick this thing here.
Okay, so we all of them.
Yes.
Okay.